winds and some water impacts. So that side of the island could get 1, 2, 3 feet of storm surge. There's what they're doing to try to lessen the amount of flying debris. Very, very dangerous night and tomorrow ahead. This is going to be a very long duration event. And what has happened over the weekend is relevant to what might happen over the next day or so, because after all of this rapid intensification, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning, it has continued to strengthen. And we often talk about how, very intense hurricanes like this often go through internal structural changes, eyewall replacement cycles. Maybe they weaken a little bit, but then get larger afterward. And if Melissa is going to weaken before making landfall in Jamaica or close to it, it's probably not going to weaken very much, because there are no immediate signs of concentric eye walls that would portend a weakening and a structural change. It's just very steady state and only getting a little bit stronger. We'll see how strong the winds are in those aircraft missions later tonight. And it is beginning that turn to the north, and the confidence is high that at the very least, a good portion of Jamaica is going to be in an eye wall and on the stronger side. And even if Kingston doesn't get the eye wall, they're going to be in that southerly flow. The eye wall has a lot of lightning in it, and there's not. It's very steady state there. There's no changes in the internal structure that the lightning data are telling us are about to happen. And of course, there's a lot of bands here way out to the east, and so you don't have to be in the path of the eye or the eye wall to get significant impacts. So Montego Bay is kind of sheltered right now, and Kingston isn't in the really strong winds yet. But and then this is just to give you a general idea of what happened. These numbers might not be exactly right, but look at how strong the winds could be even on the northern side. And where these strongest winds occur will depend on exactly where that eye goes. But farther to the right, the winds could be stronger in a place like Kingston, and Ocho Rios and Montego Bay could still get much stronger than what you see here. And the onshore flow is going to produce several feet of storm surge all the way to the Kingston area in all likelihood, because you're going to be on the right-hand side of this. So that could be much worse storm surge.